My Realist, come and see how I thrifted this Beyonce look for only $8. But first, let me show you how I thrifted this Pinterest look for under $20 at Plato's Closet in Pickering. All right, y'all, let's dissect this gorgeous thrifted, yes, thrifted outfit. I got this jacket from Plato's Closet as well as the black and white dress. And I also thrifted the bag from my mom for $5. Now, I already had the hat, the shoes, the tights, and the gloves to round out the outfit. Okay, so I know you see in the picture that the lady is wearing a houndstooth dress. I could have purchased a houndstooth dress, but I preferred the black and white striped dress. I mean, it doesn't have to be exact, right? However, it came out so nicely and under $20. Can you believe that? Tell me what you think in the comment section about this thrifted outfit. Can you believe that you can thrift and look like this? Okay, you can easily turn this outfit into a date night outfit. Yes, girl. All right, so I added some nice heels with the bow at the side. It's pink. Yes, pink with the red. But wait, all you have to do is just wear a nice pair of earrings, necklace, bracelet, and then you grab your handbag and say, boom. Right there. Oh, I love it. It just rounds out everything. The shoes, the bag, and the jacket, and you're ready to go. Okay, what do you guys think? Hit me up in the comment section. Did I nail it? All right, let's talk about Beyonce. Let's see how I achieved this look. All right, my realists, we are here in Whitby, Ontario. We are going, ready? Thrifting. Yes, we are going thrifting. I'm going to show you how you can style yourself like a celebrity and, things that you may have seen online at a fraction of the cost. So sit tight, stay tuned, and enjoy the show. Okay guys, so I found a few finds, and for my Beyonce look, and here, oopsie, sorry, for my Beyonce look, and here it is. That top. All right, you guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video if you care. Now that is that on that.